Most people are playing a financial game using outdated rules. They believe wealth is mostly about how much salary enters their bank account every month. But modern wealth works differently now. Real wealth is about ownership. It is about how many systems continue paying you even when you are sleeping, resting, traveling, or completely offline. Most workers spend years trying to increase active income while ignoring the deeper problem. They do not have an income problem. They have an ownership problem. You were told to save more money, but inflation quietly punishes people who only save without building productive assets. Prices rise, currencies weaken, and expenses expand while many workers continue trading time for money in a cycle that never truly scales. This is why some people earn high salaries, yet still feel financially fragile. Their entire life depends on constant performance. If they stop working, the income stops immediately. Today, I want to break down 7 hidden assets that quietly generate value every single day. These are not fantasy investments. These are systems. Some are digital. Some are traditional ideas upgraded for the modern internet economy. But all 7 share one thing in common. They continue working long after the original effort is finished. And asset number 4 is the exact reason some 23-year-olds quietly build financial freedom while older high earners remain trapped. If you are ready to stop earning locally and start building globally, stay with me. Asset number 1 is global digital equity through automated newsletters. Most people use email to receive bills and promotions. Wealthy people use email differently. They use it to deliver value repeatedly. When you build a focused newsletter online, you are building a digital plot of land. Imagine a newsletter focused on remote jobs, investing, productivity systems, or business opportunities. Every subscriber becomes a long-term digital asset over time. Sponsorships and advertisements can begin generating revenue automatically. Your audience could be in Lagos, London, Toronto, or Dubai while the income arrives in stronger global currencies. This matters because digital assets allow ordinary people to escape local earning limitations. Asset number 2 is fractional global real estate. Elder wisdom always said buy land. That advice still matters. But many young people think real estate only begins when they can afford an entire property. Today, platforms allow people to buy small fractions of income-producing rental properties. Instead of waiting years to purchase a full building, you can begin participating in ownership earlier. Every small ownership percentage creates exposure to rental income and long-term appreciation. Asset number 3 is stock media and digital templates. Every single day, creators, churches, businesses, and students search online for templates, graphics, stock footage, planners, and organized systems. Most people consume these products. Very few people create them. Imagine creating a budgeting spreadsheet once and uploading it online for repeated sales, or designing Canva templates for churches or businesses. That single asset can continue generating payments repeatedly for years. One purchase may look small, but repeatability changes everything. This is why digital products are so powerful. The creation process happens once, but the distribution continues automatically. The internet never sleeps. Somewhere in the world, someone is always searching for a solution. Now let us talk about asset number 4, because this is where the hidden math becomes extremely powerful. Asset number 4 is time-weighted dividend ownership. Most people think investing begins after they become financially comfortable. That is backwards. The earlier you begin, the less pressure you need later. A 23-year-old investing small amounts consistently has a massive advantage over someone starting much later. This is because compounding rewards time more aggressively than effort. At first, progress looks invisible. Many people quit because the numbers seem too small. But eventually, the compounding line bends upward. That is the moment where your investments slowly begin producing meaningful growth on their own. This is why some young investors quietly build enormous flexibility while high earners remain trapped financing appearances. One person compounds ownership. The other compounds expenses. Asset number 5 is automated faceless knowledge hubs. Many people believe internet success requires becoming famous. It does not. A faceless YouTube channel, searchable website, or educational platform can quietly become a 24-hour digital worker. Useful content continues attracting views and search traffic long after publication. You create the system once, then search engines continue distributing the value repeatedly. Asset number 6 is high-yield cash systems. Most people leave money sitting in low-interest accounts, slowly losing purchasing power every year. But where you store your money is also a financial decision. Modern high-yield systems allow idle cash to generate stronger returns while remaining accessible. Once knowledge becomes systemized, your earning potential disconnects from your physical hours. Now here is the important part. Part 35. The goal is not to build all 7 assets immediately. The goal is to begin ownership early and stay consistent long enough for leverage to compound. Most financial freedom is not built through one explosive moment. It is built quietly through systems that continue producing value daily. So here is the question I want you to think about carefully tonight. If your income stopped for 30 days, which of your assets would continue paying you automatically? That answer reveals the strength of your financial foundation. Comment below which of these 7 assets you could realistically start with $100 or less. I'll read the comments carefully because I want to see who is serious about escaping the salary trap. The biggest mistake many people make is assuming ownership must begin with huge capital. In reality, most modern wealth systems begin small and grow through consistency. A newsletter may start with 20 readers. A template may make only $5 at first. A dividend account may look insignificant during the early months. But small systems repeated consistently become large systems over time. The internet allows one person to create assets that can reach thousands globally without needing a giant company behind them. Financial freedom is rarely one giant decision. More often, it is hundreds of small ownership decisions compounded together for years. So start small, think globally, and focus on ownership instead of image. Because eventually, the goal is not simply earning more money. The real goal is building systems that continue producing value even while you sleep.